We are beginning with the kinds of sentences. Before we begin, we should know what a sentence is. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. It begins with a capital letter and ends with full stop, a question mark, or a mark of exclamation. Let's see in the examples. Ayush is going to school. We can see that this group of words is complete in itself and it's giving complete meaning. It's ending with full stop, so it's a sentence. Did he come in the party? Now we can notice that the formation of this sentence is changed. It is asking a question and ending with the question mark too, but still it is giving a complete meaning. So this kind of sentence is also a sentence, but the kind will be different. Oh, I am undone. It's ending with exclamation mark and the formation is again changed. It's another kind of sentence. So on the basis of their pattern, sentences can be divided into 5 types: assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory and optative. Let's begin with the assertive or declarative sentence. A sentence that states or declares is called an assertive or declarative sentence. It means any sentence which is stating something or declaring something is called assertive statements. They are called simple statements also because these are simple statements without any emotions, without any exclamation, without any question. These sentences are of 2 types: affirmative and negative. Affirmative means positive statement. Any kind of sentence which is giving a positive statement is called affirmative sentence. Like the earth moves around the sun, honesty is the best policy, she works hard, the school reopens today. And negative sentences are those which contains not, never and no. Let's see. They do not come here. She did not listen to my advice. I will not open the door. So we have seen that positive statements are called affirmative sentence and negative sentences are those which contains not. At the end we have to remember that these sentences end with full stop. Let's see what the interrogative sentences are. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative or question sentences. They are also of 2 types: WH questions and yes no questions. WH questions are those which begin with W and H. So let's see that all the words are beginning with either W or H. What is your father doing? Why did you laugh? Where do you live? How are you today? So in all the sentences, either they are beginning with W or H. Now let's see what are yes-no questions. These questions answer in yes or no. Like, does he visit the place? So answer will be either in yes or no. Yes, he visits the place, or no, he does not visit the place. Shall we go there? Yes, we shall go there, or no, we shall not go there. Are you interested? Yes, I am interested, or no, I am not interested. Do you get up early in the morning? Yes, I get up early in the morning, or no, I do not get up early in the morning. So we have seen that answer of these questions can come in yes or no, and therefore they are called yes no questions. But unlike these questions, WH questions cannot be answered in yes or no. For example, if we ask, what is your father doing? So answer will be, my father is going to market, or my father is washing the car. Answer can vary, but it will not come in yes or no. Why did you laugh? I laughed because I saw a comic scene. So it means that to answer WH questions, we need to give an explanation. And the important thing we have to remember is that these sentences end with question mark. Now let's begin with the imperative sentences. A sentence that expresses a request, order, or advice is called imperative sentence. Let's see. Keep your room clean. This statement shows that we are giving advice to someone. So this will be imperative sentence. Please sit down. It's a request. Never trust a stranger. So again we are giving suggestion or advice to someone. So this will be imperative sentence. Shut the door. We are giving order to someone to shut the door. Pass me the sugar please. It's a kind of request. So again this will be an imperative sentence. Do not come here. We are ordering something not to come here. So it will be also an imperative sentence. These sentences end with full stop as you saw. One more thing to notice, that imperative sentences and assertive sentences both end with full stop. So there will be some confusion how to differentiate between the two. So we have to remember that assertive sentences are simple statements. They do not contain any kind of request, order or advice. Imperative sentences are those which contains request, order or advice, although both ends with full stop. Let's see what the exclamatory sentences are. A sentence that expresses a strong feeling such as surprise, joy, anger, etc. is called an exclamatory sentences. Like, what a fine day. So we are exclaiming with wonder that it was a fine day. What a lovely flower it is. Again, we are wondering that it was a lovely flower. How beautiful it is indeed. We are full of joy that it's a very beautiful. So these all sentences are showing sudden feelings. How frightful the scene is. In this sentence, we are showing the feeling of being frightened. So this will also be an example of exclamatory sentence. What a pretty baby she is. So we are exclaiming with joy and wonder that she is a pretty baby. So the sentences which are showing sudden feeling are called exclamatory sentences.